Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Today we're going to look at a person. Her name is what? Dorothy Miles. Her shorter name is Dot. Where was Dot born? She was born in Holywell, which is in North Wales. Dot herself was born hearing, and she went to a hearing school and she could speak. Her parents absolutely loved the theatre, and Dot herself, when she was 7, she wanted to become an actor in the future. But she became ill with meningitis. She lost her hearing and she became deaf. So Dot had to transfer to a different school. A deaf school, and where was that? In Manchester. Here it was where she learnt sign language. As Dot grew up, she continued to love the theatre and poetry. She really loved which writer? William Shakespeare. And she loved the play called Romeo and Juliet. When Dot was 26, she transferred to where? She moved to America and she went to a deaf college called Gordeley College. She looked at American Sign Language and she felt that she loved American Sign Language. It was more creative than British Sign Language. In 1968, Dot joined what? She joined the National Theatre of America, the National Theatre for the Deaf. She continued to write her poetry with signs. She called this poetry in motion. Her poetry didn't use metre or rhymes, no. Her poetry was much more visual with signing. Dot carried on acting and writing poetry. She worked very hard, but she became mentally ill and she had to go to hospital. In 1976, Dot wrote a book called Gestures, Poetry in Sign Language, and it was published. Dot stayed in America all up until for 20 years, and then she moved back to Britain. She worked with who? The British Deaf Association, BDA, on lots of different projects. She helped deaf tutors how to teach sign language. She also set up a book of how to teach sign language. Her book was called A Beginner's Guide, and here it is. Do you know the TV programme See Here? Well, Dot wrote some of the earlier episodes of this. Sadly, on the 30th of January 1993, she died.